Don't depend on a casino anywhere in America to follow the guidelines they publish for keeping their casino free of the bug, the virus. Words are cheap. Doesn't cost them much money to put a list of the cleaning things they're doing on their site and then not bother to do it in actuality. Now here's my visit to Miccosukee Casino in the Everglades yesterday. Here's the cleaning of the machines. See this right here? A box of Kleenex. That's it. You clean the machines. You go over there, you get a Kleenex, a tissue, and you wipe down the machine. If you don't wipe down the machine you just left, who cares? Nobody's monitoring it. And it's just a box of cheap tissue. So when you go in a casino and they tell you, don't worry, we're deep cleaning all the time this facility, don't believe it. Maybe they are, maybe they're not. I didn't see anything going on in this casino. You want to go to a casino, the only thing for sure that you can depend on, and this is it, you've got to go to the TV station of the town the casino's in and see if they are reporting people picking up the virus in the local casino. That's the only thing you can go by. If they're reporting people are picking up the virus in the casino, you know not to go. But otherwise, there's no way you know what the cleaning level is in a casino because it's just words on a screen.